Very often we're being asked, how do you select a lawyer question? It's hard because people have different questions and different issues. And a friend of mine said many years ago, client doesn't care how much lawyer knows. Client wants to know how much lawyer cares. So an important issue when you're selecting an attorney is a trust. You have to be able to trust this person. You have to be able to look the person in the eye and believe that the person will be responsible in caring about your matter. The worst thing you could select is somebody who is angry or somebody who is bully, because you can never out-bully another lawyer or out-anger another lawyer. It's just not a right thing to do, and as a result of it, both plaintiff and defendant will be suffering as a result of it. So the best thing is, number one, to select somebody who is experienced with your issue. So I have 33 years of experience in the personal injury field. So I would be an ideal candidate if you have a car accident or slip and fall, because that's something that I've been doing day in, day out. There's some matters that we just don't handle, and we could recommend an attorney who has experience in those matters. So when you have an issue, the best thing to do is to call a lawyer, have a conversation with them. If the lawyer tells you something that goes against what you think, do not necessarily accept it. My always suggestion, get a second opinion, number one. And number two, if you and your lawyer do not see eye to eye on the same issue, I think you should always seek a second opinion. Do not go along with a program, because it just will never end well for you and will never end well for the attorney. Eventually, you end up switching the law firms, or your matter will not get a right attention. So sit down, talk to the attorney, ask him the question. What will happen? How do they see the future of your case? Obviously, nobody has a crystal ball and nobody can guarantee a result. But you have to be comfortable with the person you are selecting for your unique matter. No two matters are alike, no two people are alike, and no two lawyers are alike. So do not necessarily go with the first one. Look around. There's plenty of lawyers. Some specialize in personal injury, some specialize in a contract, some specialize in family law. No one lawyer can do everything. If you have a matter, and I always think it's better to select a firm, because if you select the firm, chances are there is a few lawyers there, and each one developing a particular, lawyers cannot be specialized, but particular concentration that will help you along the way, and possibilities. You'll be able to get one law firm for a very long time that be able to address all your needs. So hopefully you select us. 215-396-9001 is our phone number. We have many lawyers with a different concentration. Or do not in any way compromise your belief and select somebody that you're not comfortable with. Thank you.